Sorry, I almost forgot the engine. Let's see. Open that. It is gonna be loud. It's missing a cat on the bottom. But let's see, where's the here. Alright, that's the engine. It's just dirty. It's a solid engine. It's got some pretty clean oil in it right now. And this is the fun part right here.